This property is beautiful. We are at an estate sale. Looks like there's a house here, something there, and then I saw something in the back. This sale has been going on for, I believe, 4 days. Today is the last day. Let's go in and see what we can find. Oh my goodness, y'all. There's people, so I can't show y'all the full extent. But this place is huge and it is packed. The little birds, how cute. I don't know what the prices are though. Everything's 50% off. It looks like maybe they had a antique booth or something because these tags are old. Oh, this is beautiful. $50. It would be $25. Man, I wish everything was 75% off. That'd be amazing. Okay, I really look like these birds. They look like pottery. Oh, $75. This is my favorite pattern. Oh wait, no, these are different. It's similar to this pattern I like. $25. There's another room, just full. What is this piece? Copper tankard, $150. So I'm thinking the prices is why there's so much stuff left over, but there's a lot. I'm sure we can find some good deals in here. Look at the furniture, y'all. Look how this piece goes out like that. What is this piece right here? This is gorgeous. Jewelry maker's cabinet. I think this is the biggest iron I've ever seen. Kind of want this for my personal collection. I don't see a price on it. Look at this cute little heart mirror candelabra. Very, very unique items here. Lots of blue and white. Even the bathrooms are full of stuff. Look at all these picture frames. Glossy white figurines. Oh, I love these little jewelry boxes. I have found them a few times before. $90. $30 for this tiny one. These are cute. See how much these are? $30. Little hand painted ornaments.
Hi, this is Alan with Fairman Properties, and I buy houses cash. If you have a house and sell fast at a fair price, call me at 901-616-1111. I can pay cash and close in as little as 7 days. I buy houses in any condition, any price range, and any location. I'm an investor, buy several houses a month, and I want to buy more. I buy inherited houses, divorce houses, short houses, unpainted houses, even my tenant won't give me the rent houses. So just call us.
You want to get that?
Y'all, every room is absolutely packed. There's tons of silver too. They have a whole room, that screened-in porch we saw when we walked in is full of silver, and that is only 25% off. I feel like they need a lower, go to 75% off and get rid of some of this stuff right now while I'm here. That would be amazing. This lamp, it's all glass. Don't see a price on it.
You know, I don't like to cook, but I like to entertain, so I can buy myself.
Okay, are these butter pats? They are. Dang, $20 each. I don't even know if I could sell these for $10.
What?
This is my style.
I'm just so nosy. That mirror centerpiece.
I don't know how much these are.
Oh,
One of those big ones.
They were like $2. I'll buy all of these. Another room right here filled with items. Cobalt blue and white salt and pepper shakers, $35. This is really cool, this piece. It's $25. And look at the bunny mold. It is $75. These are interesting. Some more bunny molds. Let's see if there's a price on these. I do not see a price on these. Oh, this reminds me of the little scale I have next to my bed. Okay, this one's down to $25. It's missing the bowl right here, but it's still really cute. Okay, this might be something I can get. I have two of these wooden things right here. They're kind of heavy. They have screws in the top. I have no clue what that is, and there's no tags on it. Okay, this piece moves. I think this piece is missing some stuff. Look at this blue bowl. Some of these prices are just crazy. Okay, so this squirrel, it is on this glass tray. It was $895. Now it's $495. And then look at this little thing. I might pay $1 for this at another estate sale. It was $50. It's now $25, and then it would be half of that. All right, I was kind of overwhelmed in the house, so decided to come check out the other buildings. Oh my gosh, this might be just as overwhelming. What is this piece? Is that a plant stand? That's how tall it is. It's really cool. Oh, look, all the blue and white, y'all. Look, this little quail egg dish. That's precious. It is $40. Delf spice jars. Oh my gosh, this piece is gorgeous. These bookshelves, those are pretty too. Okay, so I got the story on this place. One person did own all this stuff. It was all in this house, but these are all her tags that are on here, because she would actually sell stuff. She'd have people over for lunch and they would shop, and that was her hobby.
Well, 50? Are you crazy?
That's what I feel every time I look at a tag. This set is $3.95. I like to put plants in these. Ironstone pot, $50. Really like this. I have a bunch on top of the cabinet in my bathroom. I don't really have a spot for another, but I like that. At least it's quiet out here, so I can bring y'all shopping with me. Except that other lady freaking out about the prices as well. Be very careful. I think there's another building, so I wanna look at all the buildings before I come back and look around again. Oh my gosh, these are precious, absolutely precious. No prices. I think I can get better deals if it doesn't have prices. I love these. Okay, this is a freight car. It said it's full of furniture. Oh, it's gonna be dark in here. I wanna look in here, and then there's actually another building or another house or something. This crib, y'all, that's adorable. $650.
Now there's a chunk. I think this goes with the bed.
Like this little table. It's kind of long and narrow. Is $500. Just notice this leather bench behind the crib. It is beautiful, but unfortunately it's been left out here and it looks like it got mold and stuff on it. It probably has a smell that might not come out, and it's probably out of my price range. I don't know if y'all can see this cabinet right here. Okay, let's go to the other building where y'all can actually see the stuff. All right, on to what I think is the final building, but I was also told there was an upstairs in the house and I didn't even go there. Okay, we got lots of milk glass. Beautiful bench. Look at the pie safes. So many pie safes. Do I have a spot for another pie safe? Oh, I have some of these duck bookends. Mine are chalkware. Those are ceramic. Stack of bowls. I'm like so overwhelmed by the amount of stuff that is here. They said they've been clearing out this house for like a year. So can you imagine what it looked like a year ago? Look at all the oil lamps. Alright, we're not done. This is the sale that just keeps on giving. Nobody else wants to dig out here. I'm all alone. Is this my pattern? Stop it. Look. These are the plates that I love. Oh my gosh. And they even have bowls. Okay. Look how beautiful they look stacked. Y'all, my open shelving in my kitchen. I might have to switch out my false graph for these. I'm gonna have to get a price. I want those for my personal collection. Bowls. Okay, I feel like I could probably get a better deal on the stuff that's out here. Lots of brass. What is this? Some of the tickets are faded. Brass box. I think it says $55. All the lamps. Amber jar lamp. Little end tables. Look at this table. Drop leaf table. Beautiful legs. Look at this precious broom. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start making a pile of all the things I don't want. There's some swans, and just try to get a good deal for us. Okay? Does that sound like a plan? Look at this beautiful quilt rack. It is $3.95. I don't know why I'm whispering. Nobody else is here. I think there was another room. I like this piece. Yes. Oh shoot, there's more than another room. There's a few more rooms. Look, even this little closet is full. That's what I'm stepping on. Chairs. Chairs. I love chairs. but I'm gonna walk past them because we don't need any. Look, all the beds in the bathtub. Figurines, tons of figurines. Okay, yeah, we're gonna make a pile. I mean, they have to get rid of some of this stuff. Beautiful basket. I think this is an ashtray right here. Here is my pile so far. I have no clue how much I spent. All right, headed upstairs now. Y'all, okay, first of all, how cute is this table? That's adorable. But look at the stuff. It is packed up here as well. $50 for that bowl. Be very careful not to knock anything over. Look at this little blue and white set right here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Try not to break nothing. I love this. Like the little plates. Some green and white. Irish music box, $40.